In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for the model name or number on an iPhone. So first, open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on General. This section holds all the core information about your device, including software updates, storage, and hardware details. Next, tap on About at the top of the general settings. This is where you'll find a full overview of your iPhone's information, including things like software version, serial number, and most importantly, the model details. Here, you'll see your model name, which tells you the exact iPhone model, like iPhone 13 Pro or iPhone SE. Right below that, you'll find the model number, which is a unique identifier used by Apple for hardware specifications and compatibility. Knowing your model name and number is really helpful if you need to check for software updates, buy accessories, or get support from Apple. It ensures that you're referencing the correct device when troubleshooting or purchasing items like cases, chargers, or screen protectors. If you tap on the model number itself, sometimes it will toggle between the identifier starting with an A and the full model number for reference. This can be handy if you need the exact version for repairs or warranty claims, and that's it. Open settings, tap general, go to about, and here you can quickly see both your model name and model number. So that's how you check for the model name or number on your iPhone.